Hello everyone, I've got something different for you today. These are my enamels, and they're enamels of fish skin, the markings on fish if you will. And I think the reason I thought of that is that the translucence of the powdered enamel on copper does resemble a fish's skin. One of my favourite programmes is Gone Fishing with Bob Mortimer and Paul Whitehouse, and it reminded me of these. So I dug them out from years ago. I made them and I showed them to my framer and asked him if he'd like to do something with them, and he was really taken with them. So he's come up with 3 works of art framed, and I think they're really interesting. Enamelling is exciting anyway because it only takes a minute to fire the powdered enamel onto the copper, and you build it up in very thin layers. So compare that to my glass fusion kilns, which have to fire overnight. So very nice, very good fun to do. Anyway, I hope you like them as much as we do. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. I know some of you think I'm a bit of a smarty and talk of my work is all arty-farty. So I'm not going to bore you with all of that flannel. I'm simply going to say, I hope you like these enamels.